Number 6. The Phanteks Evolve Shift 2. This is a visually stunning mini ITX case that stands out with its anodized aluminum panels and compact vertical design. Despite its relatively small footprint, the case offers both looks and functionality, making it great for users who seek both style and substance. The tempered glass side panels have been appreciated for showcasing the internal components, giving the build a premium look. Being a mini ITX, the Evolve Shift 2 can feel tight to build into, especially for those new to mini ITX systems. This compact design leaves little room for maneuvering. Additionally, the case supports only a single 120 mm radiator, which may be limiting for those looking to use high-performance cooling solutions. Despite these issues, the Evolve Shift 2's design and quality make it a good choice for those willing to invest time and patience into their build. Number 5. Corsair Crystal 280X. This case stands out for its spacious dual-chamber design, which not only accommodates mini ITX, but also micro ATX motherboards. This flexibility makes it a popular choice for builders looking for a compact case without sacrificing the ability to use larger components. The case features 3 smoked tempered glass panels that allow users to show off their RGB components, making it an aesthetically pleasing option. The dual-chamber design is praised for its efficient cable management, hiding away the less visually appealing parts of the build while keeping the main components on display. The Crystal 280X also offers several cooling options, supporting up to a 280 mm radiator and coming with pre-installed RGB fans. However, some users find the case to be on the larger side for a mini ITX build, and the 300mm GPU length restriction can be limiting for those with longer graphics cards. Despite these limitations, the Crystal 280X's blend of style, functionality, and cooling performance makes it a worthy option for mini ITX builders. Number 4. Fractal Design's Torrent Nano. This is a highly regarded design for its exceptional airflow and cooling capabilities. Designed to prioritize cooling, the Torrent Nano features an open interior and large front mesh panel that allows for unobstructed airflow. This design is particularly beneficial for high-performance builds that generate a lot of heat. Users have praised the case for its spacious interior, which, despite being a mini ITX case, provides ample room for larger components and cable management. The build quality is another highlight, with Fractal design known for its good and durable construction. However, the focus on cooling does come with some trade-offs. The open design can lead to more dust accumulation inside the case, requiring more frequent maintenance. Additionally, the case lacks the sleek, minimalist aesthetic of some other mini ITX cases, focusing more on function over form. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Torrent Nano's superior cooling performance and build quality make it an excellent choice for performance enthusiasts who still want a smaller build. Number 3. NZXT H1 V2. This is a compact and innovative mini ITX case that simplifies the building process by integrating a 140 mm AIO liquid cooler and an SFX 750-watt power supply. This integration not only saves space but also reduces the complexity of cable management, making it an attractive option for both new and experienced builders. The H1 V2's vertical design helps to maximize airflow and cooling efficiency, keeping the system cool even under heavy loads. Users appreciate the ease of building in this case, with the pre-installed components significantly cutting down on assembly time. The case also features a minimalist design with a small footprint, making it ideal for setups with limited space, which is part of the point with mini ITX builds. Some users have, however, noted that the vertical orientation can be a bit restrictive when it comes to installing larger GPUs. and the integrated components mean less flexibility for those who prefer to choose their own cooling solutions and power supply. Despite this, the NZXT H1 V2's ease of use, cooling performance, and good design make it a worthy choice in the Mini ITX category. Number 2. The Cooler Master NR 200P Max. This case is appreciated for its user-friendly design and comprehensive feature set, making it one of the best choices for newer builders. It comes with a pre-installed 280 mm AIO liquid cooler and an 850-watt SFX power supply, streamlining the building process and ensuring that the components are perfectly matched for performance. The NR200P Max also includes both mesh and tempered glass panels, allowing users to choose between better airflow or a more aesthetically pleasing build. The spacious interior can accommodate large GPUs and offers excellent cooling potential, with the ability to mount multiple fans and radiators. Users have praised the case for its build quality and ease of assembly, with clear instructions and thoughtful cable management features. The only significant downside is the cost, as the inclusion of the AIO and power supply makes the NR200P Max one of the more expensive Mini ITX cases on the market. Additionally, some users find the design to be a bit plain compared to more visually striking cases. Nevertheless, the NR200P Max's ease of use, cooling performance, and included components make it a top contender for anyone looking to build a high-performance Mini ITX system with minimal hassle. Number 1. The Lian Li Q58. This case takes the top spot as the best-reviewed Mini ITX case of 2024, thanks to its innovative design, flexibility, and high build quality. The Q58 supports both SFX and ATX power supplies, offering unmatched versatility and power options for such a compact case. Its dual-chamber design and split-side panels, half-tempered glass, half-mesh, provide a perfect balance between showcasing components and ensuring adequate airflow. Users have lauded the Q58 for its spacious interior, which can accommodate large GPUs, multiple storage drives, and complex cooling solutions. The case also features a unique removable top panel that makes installation and maintenance incredibly easy. Another standout feature is the excellent cable management system, which keeps the build clean and organized. Despite its compact size, the Q58 does not compromise on performance or aesthetics. Some users have mentioned that the build can be slightly challenging due to the compact nature of Mini ITX cases, but the end result is well worth the effort. Overall, the Lian Li Q58's combination of design, flexibility, and build quality makes it the best Mini ITX case of 2024. We hope you have found our comprehensive aggregated review useful. If you would like any of these cases, you can support us by using our links in the description.